Today we will draw Muffin so sweet, holding an ice cream, her favorite treat. With colors so soft, the picture will glow. Before we begin, there's something you should know. If you're ready for fun, before we go through, don't forget to like this video, it's made just for you. First, I draw Muffin's head nice and round, 2 little ears that perk at each sound. A gentle smile spreads wide on her face. Can you draw a circle, keeping it in place? Imagine her fur, fluffy and neat, soft as a blanket tucked under your feet. Now comes her body, sturdy and small. Muffin is cheerful. She plays with us all. She holds a cone with ice cream so tall, sprinkles that sparkle, ready to fall. The scoop is vanilla, shiny and bright. Muffin licks happily. What a delight! And as we keep drawing with joy that will grow, remember to like this video to keep up the glow. Let's add her paws, tiny and neat, gripping the cone, her wonderful treat. Draw little lines for sprinkles so fun, red, blue, and yellow, a rainbow begun. Can you clap your hands? 1, 2, 3? That's how Muffin dances with glee. The sun is shining, warm on her fur. The breeze is gentle, soft as a purr. Muffin giggles, I love this so much. Her ice cream drips with a slippery touch. And while we color the sky so blue, don't forget to like this video. I share it with you. Now the picture is nearly complete. Muffin is smiling, her ice cream is sweet. Add shadows below, a soft little ground. Her joy is a melody, a playful sound. Take a deep breath, stretch up high, wave at the clouds floating in the sky. At last we are done. The drawing is here. Muffin and her ice cream bring us cheer. The story is gentle. The colors all sing, like a lullaby wrapped in the warmth of spring. So close your eyes, let dreams softly flow. Muffin says, good night, my friend. I love you so.